like a puzzle piece.
Yep, there you have it. So the cuts are done. I'm just gonna glue it in. What I do have to do is fix some of the shoddy workmanship over here. So look, they just left a diagonal piece of drywall with a gap there. So we're gonna have to fill that before we put the treads on. Yeah, do a little bit of work here as well. Filling this in with some putty.
What will you have to do to fix this hole?
I'll just use some spackle, and I can fill that in, it'll dry. And then you'll never know.
Yep.
We're getting there. We're getting close. Okay, so this shoe is not as high above the subfloor as the shoe on the landing was. So this is not going to fit underneath the shoe.
Oh no.
Okay.
Does that mean that everywhere up here is going to be like that?
It might be. It might be. So what I need to do is figure out from you what you want me to do here, because there's going to be a gap unless I do some extra woodworking here to round out this piece of the nose piece to get it to come all the way flush over to here.
All right,
That
let
makes
me look.
sense?
Yep. Oh, I see, because there would be a gap under there.
Yep.
Do we have enough for you to attempt it?
Yeah. I mean, it's really just a router edge. I've got a router, so I just have to figure out where to start and then do a bullnose router edge.
Do you have a small cutoff piece that you could make a template with, so you don't have to do it on the real piece?
I could, but I got plenty of these.
Okay.
Remember, we have 30.
Well, that's right.
So
We're gonna have to go into that story at some point
instead
too.
of 3/8, so I need 3/8. So I'm gonna set up my router and see if I can get a 3/8 inch bullnose router through there.
Here you go.
All right, so I got my router out and got my bits out and realized that my bit set didn't have a cove bit, which is what I needed. This is what I had. It's got some roundovers, but doesn't have a cove. For those of you that don't know, this is a cove bit. It makes basically the reverse of a roundover. I have 3 different sizes in this new set that I bought. It was on sale. So I got this new set here that has 30 pieces in a nice box that was basically twice the price of an individual bit. So pretty good deal. And I used my contour to figure out the size of the edge piece up here. And then match that to this cove bit. And then now I set it in the router. And now I've just got to router this edge right here so that this piece will fit next to the trim piece. So I used this other scrap piece to fit underneath here so I could get a nice solid line all the way across because this piece here does not have enough depth for the bearing on the router bit to ride. So if I didn't have something else to stop the bit, it would have jumped and made an uneven line and it would have been bad. So that's why I use this scrap piece. And now I have a nice routed cove bit edge that should hopefully fit perfectly. Let's go check it out. Okay, so that fits pretty nicely. Looks like I've got some.
You should look at it from the side.
Yeah, like it's just not all the way down yet because it's not snapped in. But
I thought it looked good.
yeah, it's gonna look really nice.
Yeah.
Time for test fit. Nice fit. I'll take that. Well, that is nice.
Hey, buddy. What you up to?
What's going on? You good puppy? All right. Sit. Good boy. No, sit. Good boy. Okay. High five. Good job. Good job. Good job. You're such a good boy. Good boy. Okay, I gotta get back to work. Yes. Nope. We start with 3 1/8. And all right, let's assemble this. All right, that's gonna have to be redone. I'm not happy with that at all. There's a gap right here because of the way this bows out. So I'm gonna have to recut this piece, which is not that big a deal. Make it a little longer, make it an angled cut. Let's see how that fits. That is the fit I'm looking for. Kind of perfect. All right, I'm happy with that. Last riser. Here I gotta make a little bit of a notch to fit around this trim piece. So mark that, measure it. It's a 1/4 inch.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you would like to support us, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.